Alright my friends, I just got this scope last night from Amazon that I bought, and I'm gonna use it to see if we can get a nice view inside that cylinder and see if we can see how bad the damage is. We already know that there's damage, but I want to know how bad the damage is. So this scope is pretty cool. It's got a screen and a camera, so it's just the normal scope. I think I paid like $40 on Amazon, and it's got a lot of wires, so it's really long, all this spool. So I'm gonna go ahead and see and stick this inside the spark plug hole and see if we can see the damage, and from here we might be able to see if it's worth changing the piston rings and the pistons and the rings or not. So let's see. Okay, so we're inside the cylinder. Okay, that's pretty gnarly. We see. Let's see if we can change the. Let's see if we can. Okay, it came out. Okay. It's pretty gnarly. It looks like. Let's see. What we got here. Let's see. Maybe we can change the brightness. I'm not sure what that is. This like is zoom. We don't really need a zoom. This is the contrast. You can play with the contrast with this button here. It's like normal. Let's see. Alright, so this does not look good at all. Let's see. I see the part of the piston rod right there. So the piston head is completely gone. It's broken, it's gone. This is not good at all. So what my question is, the cylinder walls. So just gonna take it apart. Hopefully the valve cover is good. So yeah, I'm gonna take the head out of the block and go from there.